Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe using brinjal. You'll be seeing how to prepare Vaingana Fodo. This is a Konkani recipe, and to prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 6 to 7 small size brinjal, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 5 to 6 dried red chili or as per the spice level you require, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, 1 tablespoon of grated coconut, 2 tablespoon of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard, and finally salt as per taste. Firstly, to begin with, chop the brinjal into medium sized pieces. Next, take a thick bottom kadai, and once the kadai is hot enough, lower the flame to low to medium, and into that transfer the chana dal. Saute and dry roast this in low to medium flame until the chana dal turns slightly aromatic. After about 1 or 2 minutes of dry roasting, into this transfer the coriander seed and dry roast this as well along with the chana dal. Here I will be adding ingredient by ingredient and dry roasting all the ingredients at once. If you are not confident or you are a first timer, you can even dry roast all the ingredients separately in low to medium flame until they turn aromatic. Once the chana dal and the coriander seeds have turned aromatic, into this transfer the grated coconut and the dried red chili and saute and dry roast this as well along with all the ingredients until the dried red chili turns into a little darker shade and the grated coconut turns into golden brown. Now our ingredients are ready for the masala pitto. Now transfer this into a plate and allow this to cool down in room temperature for some time. In the meantime, take the same kadai which you had used previously for dry roasting the spices and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and half teaspoon of mustard seed to prepare the tempering. Once the tempering is prepared, into this transfer the chopped brinjal, salt as per taste, and 1/4 cup of water and give everything a good mix. Now cover this and cook for another 10 minutes in low to medium flame. In the meantime, take a dry mixer jar and into that transfer the previously dry roasted mixture and grind this into a coarse consistency powder. Keep stirring the brinjal occasionally for it to cook uniformly. After about 10 minutes of cooking in low to medium flame, we can see that the brinjal is 3/4 cooked. At this stage, we are going to add the masala powder which we had prepared. Now gently give this a mix and cover this and cook for another 5 more minutes in low to medium flame. After about 5 minutes of cooking in low to medium flame, we can see that the brinjals have turned nice and glossy and well coated with the masala, and the water is also completely evaporated. At this stage, we can stop further cooking and transfer this into a serving dish and have it along with some hot rice and dali toy. The recipe of the dali toy is there in the top right corner of your screen in the suggested videos or in the description box. So do try these recipes and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching. And for more such vegetarian recipes, do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.